Let's learn IIB. Today I will demo how you can use REST API path parameter. I will show you how to create arrays and maps in ESQL for JSON domain. I will use an existing project from my GitHub repository and add a new HTTP resource to the existing Swagger. Let's create a REST API resource with path parameter. You can learn the syntax with this demo project. Notice the path parameter is added by toolkit and you cannot modify the path parameter type. Observe the name of the operation generated by toolkit. It is the same as path parameter. It is not using the REST resource name called test. Operation ID is saved in Swagger document. This is how IIB links HTTP method, HTTP resource combination to a subflow in REST API. Create a simple subflow as shown with ESQL compute node. We will create a JSON response message which shows the path parameter received into subflow. Path parameter is passed to REST API and we see the same in JSON. I also created a dummy array to explain the use of map objects and arrays in JSON. You can access path parameter by using local environment tree. To create JSON map objects, you have to use the keyword data. And to create array, you have to use the keyword array and item. Today's demo was simple and quick. So let me share some more information about REST API in IIB. This message flow was auto-generated by IIB toolkit. This corresponds to the details in Swagger file. 2 subflows for 2 REST operations. Input message domain is set to JSON. This was done by toolkit. We did not have to change the message domain manually. Observe the values in local environment. Route to label node meets label name field. This is set under local environment .destination .router list .destination data .label name. This is the same value in local environment .rest .input .operation. What did we learn today? We learned how to use path parameter. We learned about JSON maps and arrays, and a few more REST API concepts. Let me know in comments how to accept XML message payload in REST API when toolkit automatically sets payload value to JSON. Reply in comments.